Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp? This media content is no longer available to download error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. Viewers, this problem can occur for two reasons. First, it can be due to app glitch or network issue. Secondly, if you try to download a very old file, then this problem can appear. If this error appear when you try to downloading an old file, that means it is a system error that you cannot fix. But if you facing this problem for app glitch or network issue, you can solve this problem by following some steps. So let's see the steps. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet is working properly, and then long press on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on search app and search for WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully.